What's up, guys? So today I got something in the mail finally that I've been waiting for at least, I don't know, 2-3 months, and it's gonna make, I think, a big difference. And let's just open the box and show you what it is. All right, so here it is. It's HIC is the name of the company right here. They make different exterior parts for Soarer, Honda, Acura, Toyota, Lexus, a whole bunch of stuff. So this is their roof spoiler, and I don't know if you can see it. You can see it through the light. It's a tinted kind, which I'm happy with. It's exactly what I wanted. I thought it was gonna be something I had to paint. So this should just go on real easy. It's got 3M tape provided. Just gonna clean the surface here, and it should go on. The car is on jack stands because I'm actually in the middle of another modification. But seeing how easy this is, I might as well just get this done and show you guys how it looks. All right, so the roof or rear spoiler, what do you want to call it, is now on. And I gotta say, I did this by myself, and you know, it wasn't super difficult, but if you have a second person, you can line it up pretty easy. The double stick tape feels really sticky, so I was getting kind of worried because I kind of had it stuck and I had to adjust it a bit, but I was lucky enough where I didn't push it down all the way. So if you go ahead and do this, I would say, one, take your time, line everything up, and like I said, if you can get a second person to help you, it'll make it a lot easier. But I mean, it's not impossible if you're by yourself. So I don't know, I'd like to get some better clips, but unfortunately the car is down. So I don't know, I'll just do the best I can here. All right, not that it makes a huge difference, but here is the roof visor in the sun, at least with the garage door open. And I don't know if I mentioned it, but the fitment is perfect. I didn't have to modify nothing. I didn't have to tweak nothing. It was just put on and good to go. So I highly recommend it. And like I said, it's from this HIC, which if you just Google HIC Visor, whether you have a Honda, an Acura, a Lexus, a Toyota, a Nissan, whatever you got, they probably have it. This one had to be ordered, had to be pre-ordered, so I don't know if there's any available for this, but I'm sure they'll have some more in the future. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys check out the build. Until next time, Jay-Z Chris. Later.